conversation we have now based on language, we're incredibly privileged because we are a highly literate society. But you know, written script was a power that's reserved for the few. The average person can't afford to have access to books. They have no access to knowledge.
個意思就係咧，佢係一本熊仔嘅紙樣書，甚至咧佢喺唔同嘅頁數咧係有晒成套攞嚟做熊所有部件嘅紙樣。
I've seen the archival, the National Archives in the U.S. They've got the actual documents.
And what toilets are quite common choices back in the day.
Yeah, because in my note, I need to thank him next.
If you can. But we're not expecting, we're not going to auction this out.
You wouldn't have wasted all that time looking for tiny fossils. You would have told us right away.
And I wanted to honor his memory through writing this book.
So it's possible, it's plausible, but
a sense of calmness stole over me.
Now, as we are in the 21st century, we're sort of trying to rethink some of those visions of women in ballet.
Chinese food and Sichuanese food was utterly delicious and fascinating.
Pensase que había dado la hipoteca a alguien que se iba a morir enseguida.
Every once in a while, my body was thirsty for earth, and I had no choice but to grant its request.
The final one is the Sephardorma. Sephardorma. I hope I'm pronouncing that one correctly. Sephardorma. We think that it is a mussel.